In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to back up your contact list, share it with a colleague, or use it for integration with another tool, exporting your audience is an essential skill for managing your email marketing effectively. Mailchimp makes this process simple and straightforward, but having a clear guide can save you time and ensure you don't miss any steps along the way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your contact list neatly saved as a CSV file on your computer, ready to use whenever you need it. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your Mailchimp account. This is your starting point for accessing all of Mailchimp's tools. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to complete that step as well. Once you're logged in, you should see your Mailchimp dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Now, head over to the Audience section. You'll find this option either in the left-hand menu or at the top of your screen, depending on your interface layout. The Audience section is where all your contact lists are stored, so this is the hub for managing your subscribers. If you manage multiple audiences, you'll want to take a moment to ensure you're working with the correct one. Look for the drop-down menu that allows you to switch between audiences and select the one you'd like to export. Once you've selected the correct audience, locate the Export Audience option. Typically, you'll find it in the upper right area of the screen, but depending on any updates to the Mailchimp interface, it could vary slightly. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just take your time to explore the options available on the page. When you find the Export Audience button, go ahead and click on it. You'll then be prompted with an option to export the file as a CSV. A CSV file is a universal file type that can be opened in programs like Excel, Google Sheets, or any text editor. It's the perfect format for working with large datasets like contact lists. Click the Export as CSV button, and Mailchimp will begin processing your request in the background. At this point, you might notice that nothing happens immediately. Don't worry, Mailchimp takes a moment to generate the file, especially if your contact list is large. While the system processes your export, you can continue working in Mailchimp or simply wait for the next step. Once the export is ready, navigate to the View Export History section. Depending on the version of Mailchimp, this could appear as a pop-up or a dedicated section on your screen. In the export history, you'll see a list of all your previous exports. Your most recent export will be at the top of the list, clearly labeled with the time and date. Click the Download button next to it to retrieve your file. The CSV file will now save to your computer. By default, most browsers save downloads to the Downloads folder, but if you've customized your browser's settings, it might save to another location. If you're prompted to choose a save location, simply pick the folder where you'd like to store the file for easy access later. Finally, open your File Explorer or Finder on a Mac and locate the CSV file. If it's in the Downloads folder, you should see it listed there. From here, you can open the file in your preferred spreadsheet program to view or edit your contact list. And that's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Mailchimp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.